Struggling to choose a retractable tonneau cover that fits your truck and budget? Relax, I've tested top options and will break down the pros and cons to help you pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best retractable tonneau covers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic retractable tonneau cover, a practical option built for budget-minded truck owners seeking reliable protection. Initial impressions emphasize practicality and value, appealing to budget-minded truck owners, DIY installers, and weekend warriors who prioritize straightforward, reliable bed protection. This model targets buyers who want effortless installation and reliable weather resistance without breaking the bank, while maintaining truck bed aesthetics. Its build quality centers on a lightweight yet rigid aluminum core, with corrosion-resistant coatings and reinforced corners to resist flex during retracting. Dimensions and fitment are designed to cover typical mid-size and full-size pickups with adjustable rails. It weighs under 15 pounds, reducing impact on fuel economy and making installation accessible to a single person. The retractable mechanism uses a geared track and spring-assisted roll, delivering smooth operation and all-weather seals for improved moisture protection. The tarp is a durable UV-resistant fabric with a weather-resistant coating to prevent moisture penetration. Edge seals integrate with bed rails for a tight fit and reduced wind whisking at highway speeds. During testing, it retracts smoothly with minimal effort, and the locking latch engages securely to prevent tailgate interference. In light rain, the seal keeps most moisture out and water beading forms along edges rather than soaking the cargo. Wind noise remains minimal at highway speeds, and the retractable action supports one-handed operation for quick bed access. Durability tests show the mechanism resisting rust and fatigue after repeated cycles, maintaining consistent tension across seasons. Compared to a leading rival like the Back Revolver X4, this generic model offers similar protection at a notably lower price. The pros include easy installation that appeals to DIYers, a budget-friendly price that helps value-conscious buyers, and durable aluminum construction. The cons include limited color options and occasional seal wear after extended use, which can slightly diminish long-term weather sealing. At number 4, we have the 09 Retractable Tonneau Cover. Initial impressions reveal a sleek, rugged profile aimed at truck owners and outdoor enthusiasts seeking secure cargo protection without fuss. For buyers prioritizing security and weather sealing, this cover promises simple operation, reduced tailgate noise, and dependable rain protection. Construction leverages a rugged aluminum alloy shell with a powder-coated finish, delivering corrosion resistance and a premium tactile feel during frequent use. Design emphasizes low profile for highway aerodynamics and rooftop clearance, minimizing wind lift while maintaining full access when the bed is unrestrained. The mounting rails align with standard full-size pickups, accommodating typical bed widths and offering compatibility across most mid-size trucks. The retractable mechanism employs a smooth, lockable crank with auto-tension to reduce sag and provide consistent load containment. Integrated weather seals around the tailgate and rails minimize dust intrusion and preserve cargo dryness during heavy rain or road spray. In field tests, installation took roughly 30 minutes for an experienced user, while a first-time install still completed within an hour. During highway speeds, the cover remains sealed with negligible wind lift, and trunk access stayed straightforward due to the design's low clearance. Over multiple cycles, the latch and track exhibited reliable operation with minimal squeak, indicating good long-term durability and maintenance friendliness. When pitted against a leading competitor like Backflip G2, the 09 offers easier installation and lower overall weight. The pros include strong build, simple installation, and dependable weather sealing that protects cargo across diverse driving conditions. The cons include higher price point and weight penalty that could complicate installation for some users during challenging weather conditions. At number 3, we have the Retrax T80384. From the moment you open the box, this retractable tonneau cover exudes rugged practicality tailored toward pickup owners seeking confident weather protection. Its stout construction appeals to weekend warriors and fleet drivers who demand weatherproof security without sacrificing cargo access. The Retrax uses a robust aluminum chassis with a low-profile design, measuring a standard full-size fit for most mid-size beds. It integrates a precision roller system and an enclosed torsion tube to maintain smooth operation across seasons year after year. Dimensions and fit are critical. This model emphasizes compatibility with various bed lengths through adjustable rails and precise end caps. A weather sealing system seals the tailgate area to minimize dust and moisture intrusion during heavy rain and dusty conditions. The T803-84 integrates a sealed, auto-latching mechanism that protects the seal and prevents accidental roll-ups during highway winds. A lightweight yet rigid construction supports accessories like bed liners and racks while maintaining a low-profile silhouette for streamlined aerodynamics. In real-world testing, the cover operated smoothly at highway speeds with minimal wind flutter and negligible bedwater intrusion. During cold mornings, it unlocked easily thanks to a well-lubricated mechanism, and in summer heat, the roll remained consistent. Installation is straightforward for a DIYer with a few hours and standard tools, while maintenance remains minimal with periodic cleaning. Compared to the undercover Challenger 4.0, the Retract's T803-84 delivers quicker operation, stronger weather sealing, and a more integrated look overall. The pros include robust build quality, exceptionally smooth operation, and reliable weather sealing that protects cargo in all conditions. The cons include higher price and slightly heavier weight. At number 2, we have the generic retractable truck bed tonneau cover. Initial impressions suggest a practical, unobtrusive design aimed at professionals, weekend warriors, and daily drivers who demand reliable protection without obstructive bulk. From the moment you open the box, the compact profile signals practical reliability for daily drivers, contractors, and weekend adventurers alike. Its build fuses a rugged aluminum chassis with a tear-resistant fabric cover, delivering a slim profile while resisting scratches and weathering. Designed to fit a wide range of beds, it offers adjustable end seals and a silent reinforced track for smooth, secure operation. The retractable mechanism uses a spring-assisted roll and front latch system, enabling one-handed deployment while maintaining precise tension and alignment. In rain and wind tests, the cover seals remain tight. Water intrusion stays minimal and wind flutter remains negligible at highway speeds. During winter trials, the latching cam remained operable without sticking, and the fabric resists cracking, maintaining integrity through repeated tilts and folds. In real-world usage, installation completes within minutes with common tools, and the secure lock keeps valuables safe during daily commutes. Compared to budget roll-ups, this retractable cover offers superior weather sealing, faster operation, and a neater aesthetic without sacrificing bed access. The pros include easy installation, smooth operation, and durable construction. The cons include higher price point and reduced bed height clearance. In terms of maintenance, cleaning is straightforward, with a wipe down and occasional lubricant to preserve the track's glide and seal performance. Warranty coverage remains standard for 2 years, including parts and labor, with accessible customer support and replacement parts readily available. Torsion and load testing indicate consistent performance across thousands of cycles, reinforcing confidence in long-term ownership and real-world durability. At number 1, we have the Retractable H16. From the moment unboxed, this retractable tonneau cover communicates premium intent, appealing to mid to full-size pickup owners seeking convenience and security. Its sleek, low-profile design targets weekend campers and tradespeople who value quick access and weather protection without bulky obstructive hardware. The build quality feels solid with a powder-coated aluminum shell that resists corrosion and keeps the cover rigid under highway gusts. Its dimensions are tailored to common full-size beds, fitting snugly with minimal overhang while preserving bed space for cargo. The installation process is designed for DIY enthusiasts, featuring pre-aligned rails and clearly labeled hardware that minimizes fidgeting and misalignment. Under the surface, it employs a robust dual-spring assist system that delivers smooth retraction with minimal effort, even after months of use. A weather-tight seal along the edges promises dry cargo during unexpected showers and protects contents from dust and grit. It integrates a secure latching mechanism that resists accidental release and provides an audible confirmation when fully engaged. In real-world driving experiments, the cover maintains a near-airtight seal, reducing wind noise and improving aerodynamics by a measurable margin. During quick bed access trials, the retract mechanism showed smooth operation across a broad temperature range from chilly mornings to hot afternoons. We tested load carrying and found negligible flex under typical loads, maintaining lid alignment even with addition of gear and tailgate obstructions. When stacked against the Lear 100R or Back Industries models, the Retractable 2016 delivers superior value and a sleeker profile. The pros include excellent weather sealing with a durable gasket, robust all-aluminum construction, and smooth retract mechanism ensuring effortless operation. The cons include premium price relative to competing models with limited features and slightly heavier overall weight that may affect mounting options.